Hello, this is Todd Tracy with the Tracy Law Firm in Dallas, Texas, here with another Todd Talk. Today I'm actually I'm sitting in one of the vehicles that we are evaluating, performing a vehicle autopsy on, where the driver of the vehicle was involved in a rollover accident, and the driver unfortunately passed away because of a phenomenon known as positional asphyxia. Positional asphyxia occurs when a restrained occupant is sitting in the vehicle. They have their seatbelt on, the roof crushes down, and it causes their chin to push down into their chest, and it causes the spine to fold over. And because the roof has not performed its safety function, and the roof has allowed the survival space to be destroyed, the lungs cannot inflate and deflate, and the person cannot breathe. And they literally die because they asphyxiate because they cannot breathe. Roof crush and rollover accidents are some of the most terrifying accidents that people can be involved in, but most importantly, they have some of the most catastrophic results, because if you do not maintain your survival space, it doesn't matter what safety systems you have in place, you will suffer brain injuries, you'll suffer cervical spine injuries, and you can even die because your body is folded over such that you cannot breathe. If you or a loved one are involved in a rollover accident and someone has died or suffered a catastrophic injury, I would love the opportunity to have an opportunity to look at your vehicle. Thank you.